Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now execute code 1 to generate the error and observe the outcome. Here's a detailed analysis and the remedy for this problem. Feel free to pause the video to read through the explanation. Now we'll repair the code and observe the final output. And presto, the code works perfectly and our output is just what we anticipated. The bug is no more. We've reached the end of today's episode. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more coding solution videos. Stay passionate, never stop learning, and enjoy your coding journey.